Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 4th of April 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. The situation yesterday with the daily chart. Look what's happening. Price is still trying to reach obviously lower prices with the lower levels, with the sellers trying to help this particular downtrend. However, we start seeing potential lower high failures in small time frames, and this particular green candlestick is showing, actually sending the first signal of a potential bounce back up from the buyers. And why not? Denying previous retracement can bring more opportunities with counter trends during the course of today's market, and why not the entire rest of the week, or basically on the weekend. As you can see, the previous highs are in 465. That could be the first target for today's market if the buyers manage to consolidate those particular lower high failures that we're going to see in the other time frames. We're watching right now the 12-hour chart. Look at the situation. One particular candlestick is still trying to deny this entire retracement. He managed to penetrate over 50% of the previous retracement. Now the price is trying to push back up once again after visiting this particular area, almost the 400, which is the bottom of this particular support. Now, if this new lower high fails into creation and it doesn't develop, we might see once again an uptrend that will try to deny this entire previous long range candlestick, and the price might reach once again 494.76. That's something that it should bring more the positive messages for the market makers, especially for the buyers. And if the volume comes in, we can definitely see potential higher lows in another small time frames such as 60-minute chart, because at that point we might see another extended trend happening on the 240-minute chart, because this is what's happening so far. As you can see, this is 240-minute charts, previous retracement. Now this uptrend tries to deny this particular retracement, and he managed to deny in more than actually 50%. And at this point, this consolidation is bringing a potential lower high failure, which means this particular pattern might not develop towards this other bottom or this other support, which is located at 416. If that doesn't happen, we might see this particular consolidation bringing a new higher low, and this higher low potentially can push the price and penetrate this particular top tail, which are located at 465, and that's the area 465 from the daily chart from the previous market session. If the price managed to reach that particular area, it has enough space around here to try to reach this particular top tails, and why not potentially 509. But so far we go step by step. The first sign, we need to reach 465, and after that the price has enough room to try to absorb all this congestion and bring the price once again to 494.76. Last but not least, here is 60-minute chart. Price very close to the SMA 200. We might experience this new higher low. This could be a potential new recommendation at this point. If this particular higher low comes into the picture, because we already denied this previous retracement, look, it's 100% denial. And right now, the price might bring a new pattern, and this could be a higher low. If the higher low comes into the entire graphic, we might see entries in between 445 and why not 450. Few hours, and we'll see if this particular pattern will happen. And if in that case, obviously that will be a very good entry to basically go with the counter trend the buyers are trying to generate right now. And the next target for this particular higher low could be definitely over 465, and why not? Price always try to reach the SMA 200, and at this point the SMA 200 is located at 477. Something to take into consideration. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading and a very good week. See you on Monday.